Okay, hey guys, in this video we're gonna work on the lawnmower a bit and we're gonna go for a drive. There's Matt, or Matthew, working on putting the carburetor back in, or air filter. Yeah, this is our lawnmower. It's a MTV, bunch of numbers that are faded out right there. Got our redneck GoPro mount that's tuck taped on that we're gonna be using today actually. So, yeah, it's just a bit wet. It was outside. It's kind of rusty, but it's in pretty good condition for its age. So, I guess we'll get back to you. We'll get back to you when we're done putting the engine back together.